All right, everyone, get ready for the deep dive. We're diving into the world of startup marketing today.
Oh, exciting.
Yeah, we're looking at those kind of, what do you call them, growth hacks?
Yeah, growth hacks, those like clever little things people do.
Exactly, those like scrappy, like how did they even think of that kind of
Mhm.
things? And we're pulling these from ShowNotes. Someone named Jacob Kabir, they put a bunch of these together.
Oh, nice. Like a little collection of cheat.
Yeah, a collection, exactly. And I'll be honest,
Yeah.
I haven't actually like gone and tried these myself,
Sure.
but some of them, let me tell you, when I saw them, I was like, I gotta share this.
Uh-huh. All right, well, hit me.
Okay, so first up,
Okay.
LinkedIn Jobs to find beta testers.
Whoa, wait, what?
Yeah,
How?
right. That's what I thought. So, LinkedIn Jobs, it's for jobs.
It is, yeah, that's usually what it's for.
Right. But this person is saying they use it to find people to test their product.
Okay, so they're thinking outside the box a little bit, which is smart. I mean, you're right. LinkedIn Jobs, it's all about targeting. You want people who are already thinking about like new opportunities.
Who are open to trying new things.
Exactly. So it makes sense if you need early adopters.
Yeah, people who are going to give you feedback, who are excited about a new product.
Exactly. It's like the perfect place to find them.
But the question is,
Oh, yeah.
how do you actually,
Do you just post a fake job?
yeah, like what do you say?
Yeah.
You say, hey, we're not really hiring.
But we need you to test this thing.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you don't want to be deceitful, right?
Of course not.
But you could definitely be a little clever with it, like really emphasize that it's an opportunity to get in early,
Oh,
to like help shape the product,
I see.
to be a part of something new.
That makes sense. You'd be upfront that it's a beta testing thing.
Absolutely. Total transparency.
Yeah, got to be honest with people.
Totally. But you're right. It might not be right for every single product or every stage of a startup, you know?
True. Okay, so moving on. This one caught my eye too. It's a tool called founderpal.ai.
Okay. Founder pal, like a pal for founders.
Yeah. And honestly, as someone who's worn a lot of hats, especially in the startup world,
Oh, tell me about it.
you know how it is.
Yeah.
And this whole AI thing, like the idea that AI can help you with marketing.
I mean, that's the dream, right?
That sign me up.
It makes a lot of sense, though. Think about it. Marketing automation,
Okay.
it's huge for startups, especially solo founders.
So much time saved.
Right. You can automate your social media, your emails,
All the emails,
and that frees you up to actually focus on, building your product.
the important stuff.
Exactly.
But, and I'm sure you've thought about this because I
Yeah.
know you're into this world, like, what's the catch? Is there a downside to AI doing all my marketing?
That's a good question to ask. I mean, it's AI, it's not magic, right?
Right.
It can be really powerful, but it can also be limiting,
Oh, interesting.
Like you don't want your marketing to feel like a robot wrote it, do you?
No,
Yeah.
that defeats the whole purpose.
Yeah, exactly. You still need that human touch, that authenticity.
Especially when you're a startup, you're building a community.
Exactly. So it's about finding that balance, Use the AI for the repetitive stuff.
Boring tasks like scheduling.
Exactly. But keep the human touch where it matters, like in your brand voice, your interactions.
Make it your own.
Exactly.
Now, last one from these notes.
Okay.
Space Leads Pro.
Space.
Space. And apparently it's for this whole B2B lead generation thing.
B2B.
Yeah.
You know.
Business to business.
Yeah, exactly. See, I needed that clarification.
Yeah, B2B, it's basically when a company sells to other companies.
Gotcha. So like software consulting, that type of thing.
Exactly. Think like Salesforce or even marketing agencies like us. We work with businesses.
Makes sense. But back to Space Leads Pro.
Right, space.
Is this like a niche within a niche? Am I marketing to astronauts now?
Maybe. I mean, the space industry is booming.
Maybe it's a tool specifically for aerospace companies. Or maybe they just have a cool name. Who knows?
I mean, I'd click on it.
Right. You've got to admit, it's intriguing.
It is. But, it makes you think.
It does, right. Like even if Space Leads Pro isn't about actual space,
Yeah.
it highlights this whole idea of niche solutions.
Finding your people.
Yes. And Manktabir actually mentioned something else, 50 business directories, I think it was. I don't think we need to list all 50.
No.
But it just goes to show it's not about being everywhere. It's about being in the right places.
So we've gone from LinkedIn to AI to outer space.
That's startup marketing for you. Always an adventure.
What a wild ride.
Yeah.
So any final thoughts from all this?
The biggest takeaway for me is there's no magic bullet. Like, these hacks are cool.
Oh, yeah. Super clever.
But what works for one company might not work for another.
True. It depends on the product. the audience.
Exactly. The key is to be creative, be adaptable, and don't be afraid to try new things.
And hey, if AI can make your life a little easier along the way, why not?
Exactly. Just make sure you keep it human, keep it real. That's what people connect with.
Awesome. Well, on that note, thanks for diving in with me. Until next time.
See ya.